Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. I know a lot of folks are really waiting on that big Glacier airdrop. It's coming soon, hopefully by July 2025. So today, I have some new news from the Midnight Foundation, the nonprofit arm of Midnight. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. The Midnight Foundation tweeted, "It's here. The Midnight Tokenomics and Incentives paper is now live. Learn how Midnight is designing a new kind of blockchain economy featuring a dual-component tokenomics model, shielded resource mechanics, cooperative incentives, and a fair, multi-phase distribution. This is rational privacy, built for sustainability and real-world utility. Go to midnight.gd for the white paper." The entire paper is over 40 pages long, so I went through it and got all the important information out for you. This is what it looks like. Midnight Tokenomics and Incentives White Paper, June 2025, version 1.0. Here's the abstract. This white paper describes the composite tokenomics of Midnight, centered around Night, Midnight's native utility token, and Dust, the network resource used to pay for transaction fees. It outlines the key functions, utilities, and properties, including the unique token generates resource dynamic relationship. It describes Midnight's approach to incentives and rewards to promote block production and network security. It offers a view of Midnight's cooperative tokenomics and mechanisms for network access expansion and a multi-chain future. And it describes the initial distribution mechanism and token allocation. So I know that's a lot, so I want to break it down into 5 parts. First, what is Midnight? Second, a dual token system. Third, the Glacier airdrop. Fourth, ecosystem benefits. And fifth, why it matters. So first and foremost, what exactly is Midnight? Midnight is a privacy-focused blockchain. It's a 4th generation blockchain and a partner chain to Cardano. It uses zero-knowledge proofs, meaning that users can choose what data is private and what's public. So this is really useful for large users, companies, and also regulators. It makes it so that whatever they want to be public can be public, but sensitive information can also be private. A key fact about Midnight is it uses a language called Compact. Compact is developer-friendly, TypeScript-friendly, and really easy for wider adoption. So that's one of the reasons why devs chose this and want other blockchains to also be onboarded. Okay, next, we have the dual token system. We have Night, the unshielded governance token, and Dust, the shielded token meant for transactions. And the reasoning for this dual system model is so that there'll be less volatility, there'll be more government compliance, and it's a lot better for more privacy. So look out for those 2 tokens, Night and Dust. Next, let's go over the Glacier drop. Midnight's entire supply of 24 billion tokens will be dropped with a Glacier airdrop. This is anticipated in July 2025, and it'll be available over 8 ecosystems, Cardano being the main one, but in a sec, I'll share the tokenomics and who's gonna get it. It'll be dropped in 3 phases. First, there's a claim phase of 60 days. Wallets holding over $100 in eligible assets can claim it. Next, there's a scavenger mine, 30 days. Users solve computational puzzles to claim leftover tokens. And the third phase is lost and found, over 4 years post-mainnet. Original users can recover misallocations. Tokens will be unlocked in 4 randomized installments over 360 days, and that will avoid any price volatility. So you might be wondering, how will this Glacier drop be distributed? 50% will be allocated to ADA holders, 20% to Bitcoin holders, 30% split among Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, AVEX, and BAT. And any unclaimed tokens will carry over to the next phase. So What are the ecosystem benefits? For Cardano DApp builders, they'll have the option of an extra privacy layer. They'll have more flexibility with more privacy. With SPOs, stake pool operators, they can get more liquidity onto their stake pool. And for enterprises and larger companies, they'll have more privacy options for like use cases like voting, age requirements, any other user data. They can keep that private, but also ask for that information. So it's really regulatory compliant. It also benefits cross-chain collaborators. Anybody going multi-chain can also work with Midnight. And I think this is really good to stop crypto tribalism and collaboration. So hopefully once Midnight launches, we'll see more and more of that. So why does it matter? Midnight allows for rational privacy. It allows real-world use cases on the Midnight blockchain while not sacrificing privacy or security. They're also following a community-first model. They want the airdrop to go towards the people, not companies. And I really appreciate that ethos of Midnight. They really want this to be for the people. And finally, there's a close collaboration with Cardano. So as Midnight grows, so will Cardano. There's a lot of really good synergies. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. When do you think the Midnight airdrop is happening? And what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who love this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.